Begin to imagine a whole new look by a quick change of flooring. You could put in ceramic or porcelain tile that will cost 40% more and take 60% longer to install with a messy process. Or you could install Mannington's ADURA Max Apex. It's high style with an attention to detail unlike any other WPC floor for a completely authentic look. Your new floor can be installed in almost half the time and can go directly on top of your previous hard surface flooring. Have your finished floor 60% sooner. No special tools or materials, no mess, and no time waiting to live on your new floors. The same ease of installation can also be found on Mannington's ADURA Max and ADURA Rigid floors. Quiet and luxurious, ADURA Max is one of the best-known and trusted brands in flooring, and ADURA Rigid has superior indentation resistance and needs no acclimation time. All the same styles and colors are available in both ADURA Max and ADURA Rigid. So choose the color you love and choose the solution for you. Whether it's Mannington's ADURA Max Apex or ADURA Rigid or Max, you can save up to 40% on cost and 60% on time. So whatever you're looking for in a new floor, find it with Mannington Floors. Visit floors.com/ADURA family and begin to imagine an ADURA floor in your home.